Hi, my name's Alan B. Millard, and before I found the Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali, I had dabbled in Forex trading off and on, primarily using signals or automated um, trading systems. And when I saw the free trading that was available through this program, I wanted to jump at it because I want to understand what I'm doing. I'm very detail oriented, and the information that this training does is give you a clear, concise roadmap to depend on no one but yourself in your analysis of these charts. So this training teaches you support resistance using the Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, trend lines, channels, mindset, risk management, candlestick analysis in a very clear and concise manner. And also using TradingView as your only tool that you need in order to succeed in Forex trading. He also provides you with the private student group where he can review your charts on when you're marking them up for trend lines or high lows and things of that nature. So you get a lot of feedback on your training as you're going through this system, and it's an amazing system. If you've not involved yourself with this yet, please get started because it will benefit you tenfold, because I know it will benefit me as I continue my journey in the Forex trading arena. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.